All right, if you've been waiting for the opportunity to find a place that has a living space upstairs and a potential investment property downstairs, this is the one. We're located in Aina Haina and we're gonna tell you all about it. All right, so if you're not familiar with Aina Haina, what are all the things you need to know about this community, right? So it is properly Honolulu, the city of Honolulu, but it's this nice little tucked away neighborhood, just about 10 to 15 minutes east of the city. And so really, I mean, it's about 6.4 miles from the University of Hawaii. It's a good 15-minute drive into town, but you're not gonna be spending 30, 45 minutes in traffic. It's super convenient. The Costco in Hawaii Kai, really close. You've got Whole Foods, all that stuff is really, really convenient. So let's kind of dive in a little bit about the history of the valley, because not a lot of people know this. Fun fact, so there used to be a guy that had a dairy over here, and his last name is Hind. And in Hawaiian, Hind means Aina Haina. And so that's why this valley is named after him. There's actually a drive called Hind Drive over here. Super cool. But a lot of the homes in the valley behind me, they're all built in the 1960s and 70s. And so now we're starting to see people flip these properties, bring them up to 2023. As you're driving through the neighborhood, you're gonna notice there's an older home, there's a newer home, there's an older home, and there's a newer home. And that's just kind of the vibe as the valley comes up with age. Today, we're gonna tour a brand new renovated property from top to bottom, interiors, everything. It's beautiful, and they did a great job with the design. Let's check it out. Okay, so quick specs on this home, right? So it's a total of 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. 3 bedrooms and 2 baths being on the upstairs, and then we have a studio space downstairs, which a full bath, and then that little kitchenette area. Really great overall in size. Total square footage is gonna be 1,230 square feet, and the total lot size, just the land, is 7,771 square feet. So great lot size. You're gonna see in the video, we've got fruit trees in the back. There's a mango tree and a citrus tree. Great little front yard space. And then you do have parking for 5 cars just on the driveway, in addition to street parking. All right, I hope you enjoyed that quick tour of this beautifully renovated home. Again, if you guys want more information, if you want to schedule a tour, all the listing information is going to be in my description below. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe if you learned something new and you want to see what's coming out next. We've got a new video launching every Friday, and so I hope you guys follow along for the ride, and I'm excited to talk to you soon. Aloha.